and there's a part she evaded to respond to. The order for detention were for 7 days.
Yeah, just first limit yourself to the same step before I go to these other.
Yes, with the fact that she just indicated that investigations are still ongoing. But have not indicated to what extent have they done and what is remaining.
But Mr. Komora, before we go into details, do you object to this miscellaneous file as in regards to the personal section with the 7?
Mago iwenjo kanyo mago pichni mane biro kanyo achiel kachiel kata kamano bende wayudo ng'ukni mag chenro ino kanyo ka obiro to lal kata kamano bende wayudo thuolo mar dhi kanyo bende wawinjane kama osechopo kama wayudo thuolo mag yudo duol makare kata duol maler ang wawinjane kendo sani kama osechopo ano kanyo koro ka giseduogo wawinjane matin kata wadhi nyime kotwak.
In the same strength, the application to deny them bond had been opposed. The prosecution has not indicated any need to have the suspects to continue being held as they continue doing the investigation. For that reason, in this very application that has been holding, we pray that they be released on bond terms. And then they can close the application. They cannot prosecute an application entirely in their favor. To start and to close it as they wish. So in the same strength, now we pray that they have not asked to hold them further. The court to give them bond terms. In the same strength. And then we can proceed before any other court that they wish. This is because bond term and application for that was subject in this file. So that is our prayer, Your Honor, as they close. We pray that the bond terms be given.
Yes, sir.
With regards to the two parties,
Yes.
8 and 10, suspects.
Yes. Yes, with regards to 8 and 10 refugees, the directions of the sister Your Honor that they were to be released. Your Honor, the investigating officers continued holding them and produced today again in court. No reasons, Your Honor, they've been brought before court. Why they've been brought back? Either they were rearrested. And Your Honor, if they were rearrested, they were supposed to have made an application to seek for them to be detained further. The owner of the court before your sister directed that they be held for 7 days and be released. So that detention until they produced them today was illegal. The prosecution has not requested or made an application today to detain them further pending appearing in the specialized court that they mentioned. Your Honor, lastly, Your Honor, the DPP mentioned on the issue of specialized court of counter-terrorism. No affidavit has been filed to support those affirmations. That we are closing this miscellaneous application, we are praying that we now go to the specialized court. So the impression we have right now, Your Honor, if you close this miscellaneous, is once they step outside, they'll be arrested. You've just even seen the handcuffs passing in before court. That is what they're preparing. They release them, they are arrested outside here, and rush them to Shamba. No application which has been made. They are already planned. So that once they reach in Shamba, they say they were released, we arrested them. Well, that will be all.
On our part, yes, my lady, for me, we are speaking for the most vulnerable link to this chain, the victims. Now, some victims are dead as we are talking. Some of those who have survived are in very dire shape in the hospitals. Anybody would care to take the time to see them. So any more delay from the counsel from accused, you are, my lady, with utmost and tremendous respect, is a redundant tactic. We can't continue with this because the prosecution counsel has clearly pointed out it will go. And I want also to remind court that some of the victims in this matter continued and are ongoing as children. So the faster we finish this, the application, the better. So for the victims, my lady, we shall be standing in the position of prosecution.
You're not perhaps telling before you allow the DPP to respond on that. I wish to just make a statement on the Rilana Senator. She's just stated that defense we are doing a delay. I don't know what part we are doing. On our part, we were expecting today they have a charge sheet. They take plea and we defend them. It is the part of the DPP. So when she says, on our part, we are causing delay, I don't know what she meant by that, I see. But in real sense, it's the DPP who are delaying. Today they were supposed to close and they bring a charge sheet. They take plea, we proceed to defense.